Hong Kong's daily COVID caseload has dropped but still remains above 1,600 for the sixth day. Health officials, meanwhile, suspect a cross-district transmission of the virus between two restaurants. Joanna Ho reports.
Hong Kong added 1,685 new COVID infections today, 152 of which were imported. There are another 28 suspected cases of the BA.2.12.1 Omicron subvariant, including 9 patients linked to the cluster centered on the Victoria Harbour restaurant in Tuen Mun. One of them is a patron at the restaurant, taking the tally of infected diners to 42. Health officials identified 4 infections at the Jade Garden restaurant in Mongkok's Moco Mall. The restaurant was issued with a compulsory testing notice earlier after it was visited by a patron of the Victoria Harbour restaurant on June 19. Principal Medical and Health Officer Albert Au said 3 diners and a waiter from the Mongkok restaurant could be secondary infections resulting from the cluster at the Victoria Harbour restaurant. When asked why the Tuen Mun restaurant reopened today, although its ventilation was said to be below standard yesterday, Au said there would be follow-up inspections.
We have liaised with the Food and Environmental Hygiene Department to follow up the situation. We have informed the FEHD to carry out inspection on the ventilation and also this restaurant to see if there is any irregularities.
Meanwhile, there are another 16 cases of the BA.4 or BA.5 Omicron subvariant, 4 of which were local infections. There is speculation that the government is considering cutting hotel quarantine for arrivals to 5 days, followed by 2 days of home isolation. But Au said the center has not received any information. Joanna Ho, HKIBC.